It's AronRSX and I'm back with another YouTube video. And you might be saying, that's not Aaron, that's not Aaron. It is Aaron. The thing is, I'm not Filipino because I turned Asian. I mean, what the fuck? I meant I turned Vietnamese and then I got shorter. But it's good though, because you on Aaron's video. Nah, that's not funny, bro. Let's get on to the video.
Yeah, you love it when I say I'm on the way. I keep see straight, it's hard to wait. So that I'm about to take it on the way. I'ma make it feel some type of way. When it all falls down, you know you rockin' with the top dog now. If they ain't got a price to pay, California on my license plate. Last year they ain't even like the way. We don't never trip, all of my guys back there. No, we never trick on that bitch. No, I can't quit. No, I don't fuck with that lit.
What's up, y'all? Oh hell no. I hope you guys enjoyed that intro by Dylan himself, and that little dance off. But we are here at Casa de Darren, and we are installing another IS250.
It's my car. Mine.
Nah, this one way better, bruh. Look at that shit. Sheesh! You got that jewel headlight. Where you at, Jackie? But they are almost at the end of the process. They already installed all of the struts and the airlines all routed. They just need to plug in into the battery, and yeah, it should be done. But oh damn, I need this. Oh shit, maybe I put this in my car. Oh damn, BC's. Oh, damn. Maybe I take this, huh? Put it in my car. Shit. Damn, bruh. Hey BC's, if y'all watching this, sponsor me. I need those. But here it is, another IS250. A little bit newer than Jackie's, but it's kind of better than. We got Darren here. Oh, you switched shirts. What the fuck?
He wanted to look nice.
My tank top was dirty.
But yeah, how long you guys been doing this for?
3 days.
3 days.
I did mine too, so.
Oh damn.
Somebody's slacking here.
Where you at? Damn.
Try working a 9:30 to 10 a.m. shift.
But this car is, oh damn, he got double dim, big ass double dim, bruh. He got a fucking iPad in there, bruh. And he got black interior. Damn, this is way better than Jackie's, bro. Sheesh. Way better. But this is the guy's Instagram if you guys are wondering what it is. And yeah, can't wait for this car to be aired out fully. And yeah, Jackie should really get those, I'm not gonna lie. But this car is clean. Look at that shit. Oh, damn. But if you guys are wondering what I've been doing, I've just been chilling. I haven't really been picking up the camera as I should be. But you guys are wondering a lot about the RSX and the RSX content. Here it is. Nothing has changed, to be honest. Literally nothing has changed. But yeah, a lot of stuff is coming soon for this car. And you guys will see in the next couple of weeks. Probably in August is probably going to be the biggest change, or September. August, September-ish is going to be the biggest change for this car. And just to let y'all know, the front lip, as you guys probably can tell, is off. It's because I was not careful and my front lip just broke off on me. So it's split in 3 pieces. I've been processing, like putting it all together with some glue and maybe repainting it, but I'm not too sure since my new front end is coming soon. So yeah, I might as well just let it sit there in the garage. I'll let y'all see when I'm back home. But yeah, here's the car in its entirety, still on RPF ones, still on everything, as you guys probably seen it or where I left it at. But yeah, we're at Darren's house, and must be nice to be bagged. Must be fucking nice.
So this is how dedicated I am to the bag life.
Oh. Oh damn! Even his sandals got air, bro. Sheesh.
Here we are.
At Darren's gym.
Darren's gym. We're about to get some work in, you know what I'm saying? But first, safety.
Butterfly.
Watch this.
It's only 20 pounds.
Fuck!
Are you for real right
You do it, that bitch.
now? Are you for real?
Yeah, I can do that shit.
20 fucking pounds, bro.
Butterfly.
You can't just butterfly that shit.
No, I can't.
Look at this dude. Look at how easy this guy does
yeah?
it. Look,
Watch
do it
this.
again, do it again. Look at this.
Man, what is
Teach him how it's done.
Alright, watch this though, deadlift.
Yeah, deadlift a pole by itself.
This is like 50 pounds right here.
You need to straighten up. Oh.
That's how you fuck your back.
Yeah.
Oh, you squat down.
Like this.
And Javi, come on, tell him how it's done.
That shit
Okay,
easy.
let's
Like
do
we're
that
200
shit.
pounds right here.
Hurry up, puppy.
See that? See that?
We got MBR in here.
Maybe you can find a nigga like this.
Moment of truth, boys.
Moment of truth.
See how it goes. Oh, there you go.
Both of them work. Wait, hold on, let me show you.
Yeah, they both work.
Oh, they got silencers on them too?
Oh, damn. Where you at? It's just hella nice.
Is it louder than mine?
Hell yeah.
It is?
Yeah.
Man,
Damn. Where you at?
just wait.
That shit hella clean,
It's
dude.
not loud.
He's supercharger? Yeah, supercharger. First air out of the day. Let's see how it goes. Oh shit. Damn, those lights are hella clean, bruh.
The front left is low. It's on the ground already.
Sheesh. Damn. Damn. Must be nice. Damn, dual compressor too. Where you at, bruh? Where the fuck you at, bruh? Where the fuck you at?
Airlift. Airlift over D2 though.
Oh, damn. You heard that?
That's no cap.
Hey, Bag Riders, bruh. Sponsor me. You know what I'm saying? Man, look at these bag boys. Oh, let me see the right height though. Sheesh. Oh. Oh, damn. Right height. Oh, damn. Hella clean. Oh, behind me too. Damn. Back boys. My turn. Hello, low, bro. Life of a bagged car. Wow.
Yeah, yours are so slow. Bro, this car gonna shit on you.
Oh.
Delete that off the video. Okay, now we'll go to the right, right?
Okay. Damn, this car shitting on his car, bruh. Damn. Fuck this car. Fuck that car. Oh. Ah, must be nice,
I
bruh.
don't think that's gonna kill.
What the fuck was that, Jaren? Moment of truth. Wait, I didn't even get to get it. Oh, go back. Sheesh. Yeah, he lower than you, bro.
No, he is lower than me. No, he's not.
Wait. Damn, bro.
He's lower than you in the rear for sure. He has to be.
Damn, bro.
Bro, he's kind of shitting on you.
No, it looks lower, but it's the same. He's mad. No, for real. Check it out.
Nah.
I'm lower.
Wait, what?
Oh, wait, no. No. No, he's lower.
Nah, he lower.
He's actually lower.
You can even see it. Yeah, his color kind of nice though, bruh. Damn, where you at, bruh? Where am I at? That's the question here, bruh. Sheesh.
Time for B-roll in 5, 4, 3, 2.
I want you to myself, won't share you with nobody else. Label me a stingy nigga, something I can't help. Yeah, fresh out the Vicky, we gon' play the cause you dealt. I go flow with the 50, hit you right below the belt. All I needed was a chance. All I needed was a chance. All I need. And if we fall off, I'll be back again. Cause I ain't satisfied with calling you a friend, yeah. Soon as we hang up, I'm calling you again. This ain't no fight, love, look, girl, I'm all in. Yeah. You got that double back, you made me come again. Talk that talk and made me run to tell a friend. Don't fuck with mine, no. I go 5150. Don't get out of line, let a nigga try though. Ay, if I get out of mine, it's gonna be a trial. You ain't gotta wonder why though, cause you know I'm selfish. Tell me it's nobody else.
Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please hit the like button. Comment down below what y'all think. Subscribe if you're new. This is Darren FB2. Where you at? Darren FB2. Jackie Lore. And AronRSX signing out. Peace.